Okay, so one final thing that I wanted to say about the VR field trips, the Nearpod VR field trips. First of all, in this particular Nearpod that you're in, I'm going to take you to the U.S. Capitol National Sanctuary Hall, so you can look around in there in VR, and you can just use your computer. You don't have to have VR goggles. That is totally not necessary. Kids that are on a Chromebook can totally use their trackpad to look around using the VR field trips. And then the second place that I'm going to take you is I think it's in Germany. I can't remember, but it's one of the Lovelock bridges where people put locks on the bridges, to seal their love or whatever. And then one final thought: when you use VR field trips with students, um, use them with purpose. Don't just say to kids, "Oh, okay, look around." Use them with purpose. Have them have a piece of paper next to them and a pencil and make a T chart where they're comparing two things that they're looking around. Or have them, you know, uh, I remember using the Grand Canyon one, and there was like a truck parked down at the bottom of the Grand Canyon or really low. Ask a question like, what kind of a what kind of a person, what kind of a job might they have? Where they had a truck parked down at the bottom of the Grand Canyon. Who's the driver of that truck? What are they doing down there? At the very least, you can always ask the question, "What do you notice?" What do you notice is pretty open ended and but kind of points the learner in the direction of looking with a purpose. I noticed that when I looked at that gymnasium and I noticed that there weren't any bleachers. Later, after looking at it again, I noticed that there was like a viewing part upstairs. And I wondered if maybe there was like a walking track up there or something, or, I don't know. But anyway, use VR field trips with purpose and really any Nearpod content or activities. Use them with a really pointed purpose. Okay, that's all. So, two VR field trips next.